You see footage of planes in the sky, but what about the logistics behind it all?
We're just walking around and kind of doing some inspections on some random aircraft that are getting ready to launch out. Checking post loads, checking forms, make sure forms were done correctly.
We set the standard for what's required as far as documenting and how we do the maintenance process. Once we lay the guidelines out there, we go back and ensure and validate that the process is being done correctly.
As for who's in charge of the planning side of things,
Plans and scheduling, we literally create the plan and schedule for the flying hour program for all MDS on base. So the A-10s, the C-130s, and the HH-60Gs each have their own flying hour program, being that they have so many hours to fly in a fiscal year. It's our job to schedule those and plan any maintenance that may be needed on those aircraft to support that mission. We are in charge of the consolidated schedule that gets signed by all of the commanders, so everybody on base knows exactly what we're doing, what we're flying, how we're going to get it done, what our maintenance is, what backshots need to be involved. We are, in essence, creating the schedule for our mission every single day.
and those are only a couple pieces of the puzzle.
Everything that is done on the line, whether it be maintenance or flying, different sorties, we track everything. We track flying, and we run all emergency action checklists. So everything on the line goes through us.
As the puzzle continues to take shape, in steps analysis working to put together data.
We gather data from multiple sources, such as an integrated maintenance data system that maintainers use in the field. We create reports from those metrics and send them to leadership so they can make decisions upon the fleet.
With every piece having a fit, the big picture is the efficiency of maintenance operations. From Moody Air Force Base, I'm Airman Giancarlo Carter.